Good morning, Kikay.
Good morning,
What's
Tito
for breakfast
Diego?
tayo?
Yes.
And today, we're joined by...
Oo, nagbabalik ngayon si Chef Mara Janina
Yes,
Arce
welcome.
Nario.
Welcome back.
Welcome
and
back,
isa
Chef.
itong gagawin niya ay isang Saladmaster recipe. Ano ba recipe ito?
Ooh.
Yes, this is Saladmaster macaroni and cheese with basil.
Macaroni and cheese with basil.
Yes.
That's how I like it.
Everything with cheese.
Oh,
Good.
everything with cheese. Tapos
Game.
samahan mo pa ng basil.
Ano ba ingredients natin?
So the ingredients are garlic, onion, salt, pepper, 1 kilo spaghetti sauce, Filipino style, 2 cans of cream of mushroom, 1 all-purpose cream, 2 cans of waters, 1 can sliced mushroom grain, 400 grams elbow macaroni noodles, and 1 bar of cheese and basil.
Alright. Sige, game. Paturo mo sa amin to, Chef.
Yes po.
Ano ba yung una nating gagawin dito sa paggawa ng ating baked mac recipe?
So first, with the, they call this the macaroni, elbow macaroni, and then the cream of mushrooms, and then tomato sauce.
Yung macaroni pasta natin, Chef, luto na?
No po.
Dyan na natin lulutuin.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the cream, and then mushrooms.
Sarap nito, maraming mushroom.
Yes, and then garlic, and then onion.
Kumaga, parang linagay mo lahat ng ingredients na sa
Oo.
isang pan.
Yes po. And then the basil. And the water.
Yun.
Yan yung kasimple lang po.
Then, cover.
Yes.
Ayos pala to,
Yeah,
Haluin
mix
lang ng
it and then
konti.
cover it.
Tapos hayaan na lang na ating magluto.
Yes po.
Yan ang pwede sa mga ganyan tulad mo, Cakes, no?
Mga laging on the go, tsaka
Oo.
gusto ko yung mabilisang
Tsaka
inis
yung
na.
mga hirap magluto. Ayan na.
Mga gano'ng katagal nyo to niluto, Chef?
15 minutes lang
15
po.
minutes.
Yes.
Tapos tingnan mo naman, ready to eat na.
Yeah, and
At
then we
ito,
top the cheese. Yan.
Tapos cover ulit.
Yes po.
And another how many minutes?
Another 2 minutes.
Another 2 minutes.
Yes.
Yan!
ayan,
Oh.
namelt na yung ating cheese.
Ito po ang ating
Wow!
Saladmaster Baked Mac recipe. And of course, since may pasta dish tayo,
Oo, hindi mawawala ito.
garlic bread. Kumain ka na ata, eh, no?
Hindi pa, pinipigil ako sarili ko.
Garlic bread. Alright. Okay, paano ba yung contact number
Yes,
natin?
paano ba kayo makontak, Chef?
Yes, you can contact me through my Facebook page, Chef Mommy Janina's
Janina's
Cuisine.
Cuisine.
Yes.
And yung contact number?
It's 0935-962-5082.
May babatiin ba tayo, Chef?
Mga family and friends.
Yes, I want to greet Arce and Nario family, the Feast SM Bikutan, Annual Tailship Bikutan, and Nerve Nationwide po. Eh, lahat po ng mga followers ko sa Facebook, tsaka mga taga-Bikutan. Salamat po.
Salamat.
Thank
Yung po
you.
ating Saladmaster Baked
Yes,
Mac
the
recipe.
ever reliable.
Alright.
Thank you, Chef.